morning students. Myself I am Akhila, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. Today I want to teach about total syllabus of operating systems. In this operating system syllabus, mainly we have to know complete information about the operating system. First of all, I want to tell about components of operating system. OS. We are used OS in our daily routine lives in our systems or in our laptops. So now what are the main components are included in this OS? I will tell. Operating system components. In this mainly we have 8 types of components. Those are process management, file management, network management and main memory management, secondary storage management and IO devices, and security management and command line interpreter systems. These are the main 8 components are included in our operating systems. We have different types of operating systems. I will cover those next topics in our next videos. Today I want to tell what is the syllabus we have in our operating systems. This is the main architecture of operating system. Basically, operating system means it acts like an interface between the user and the hardware. In this diagram, operating system was placed in the middle of layer. This is our operating system. It acts like an interface between the user and the hardware. The application software is placed in our user mode and the system hardware is placed in our hardware device mode. In the middle of interface, we have operating system. In this operating system, we have kernel part. Kernel. It is a system program. Kernel is a system program. It's a heart of the operating system. Why we call heart of the operating system? Because kernel is only handle the all major tasks in the operating system. And kernel can control any device problems or any device affected by any unauthorized access. All are handled by our kernel only. So kernel is the main topic in our operating system. I will tell about kernel and types of kernels in our next classes. This is the basic architecture of operating system. What are the course objectives we have in our syllabus? In these objectives, those are we learn about the operating system design and we learn about what are the problems we are faced in our operating system. Like we are faced so many problems in our process concurrency. Process is the main part in our operating system. We have so many processes running in our operating system. So whenever we run any process, we face so many problems. So what are the problems we have in our process? So those are also covered in our second unit. So we learn about that. And the third point is memory usage. How we will use memory for all services in our operating system. And the last one is storage strategies. What are the storage allocations we have in our secondary memory? So those are all covered in this last 5th unit. And we will learn about those also. After that, what are the units of syllabus we have in our operating system? We will see one by one. In our first unit, unit 1, we have the topics introduction of operating systems. In our introduction of operating system, we learn generations of OS. How many generations we have till now from starting of the operating system invention. So from starting of the OS generation to till now, how many generations we have? So those are covered in our generations of OS. And after that, types of OS. How many types of operating systems we have? We will cover in this unit only. And services of OS and how many types of system calls we have and architecture of operating system. So we learn those all in our unit 1 only. After that, we have second topic process. We will learn about complete picture about the process in our second topic in the unit 1. In this process, we learn about what is process and process relationships and different states of process. This is the main important topic in our process topic. How many states of process we have? we have 5 main states of process. Those types of process we learn in this process topic. And context switching. We learn about context switching in this process topic only. After that, we learn about threads. What is thread? Thread is nothing but it's a lightweight process. So we learn about thread concepts. How many types of threads we have, and how many various states we have in our threads concept, and we will learn about the concept of multi-threading. So these types of threading concepts also we learn in our thread concept. After that, unit 2. In our unit 2, what are the topics we have? Process scheduling. How the process was scheduled. In this we'll learn about the process scheduling, and we learn about process scheduling algorithms also. Those are the main important topic in our OS. Process scheduling algorithms are also important topic. In this we have FCFS, SJF, so many types of algorithms we have. In that majorly we have 3-4 types of algorithms. We learn in this scheduling algorithms about those topics. And after that, we learn about inter-process communication. It is IPC. It is placed in the user and the kernel mode. I will tell about the user and kernel mode in our next classes. So it is an inter-process communication. It acts like a communication link. Means in this by using this inter-process communication only, we can pass our messages from one process to another process. So we learn about inter-process communication, and we learn so many topics in our inter-process communication. So these topics are covered in this inter-process communication. Concurrent process and critical sections, race conditions and semaphores, so many topics we have. We covered these topics in our inter-process communication. After that, unit 3. In unit 3, what are the topics we have? Mainly we have deadlocks. Already we learned about deadlocks in our database management system subject, and in our OS also we have that topic. Compared to DBMS, in our OS we have another extra deadlock algorithm, that is Banker's algorithm. This is the main important topic in our deadlock topic. So Banker's algorithm is the main important question also. So in this topic we learn about the how can we avoid the deadlocks, how can we prevent the deadlock. So we can learn about those things in our unit 3. After that, deadlock topics. Next, memory management. How we'll manage our memory in our OS. So those type of topics are covered in our memory management topic. In this, memory allocation and contiguous memory allocation, fixed and variable partitions, and fragmentation, segmentation and paging. So many types of memory management allocation processes are there in our memory management topic. We will cover in this unit 3 only. After that, unit 4, we have IO hardwares, input output device hardwares. So we will learn about IO devices, IO hardware, and we will learn about file management. How we will manage our file systems in our OS. So we will learn about these topics also. After that, in our file management, we have directory structures and file system structure. Different types of structures we have. We will learn about those also. We will cover so many file system methods, allocation methods. Those are continuous allocation and linked allocation and indexed allocation. We will cover those topics also, and we will learn about directory implementation in our file management system. So in our file system, we will learn file management and directory implementation. How we will implement our directory. So we will learn those topics in our file management topic. We will cover those topics. Okay. Finally, unit 5. What are the topics we have in this unit 5? In this unit 5, we have disk management. So this is the important topic again. In this disk management, we will learn different algorithms: FCFS, SSTF, SCAN, CSCAN. These are scheduling algorithms, disk scheduling algorithms. So these are the important topic in our operating system subject. We will learn about those topics in our disk management system. And after that, case study. In this case study, we will learn about Unix and file system. How Unix and file system will work in the OS operating system. So how we will interact with the Unix operating system with the commands only, like right. So those are the commands we'll learn in this Unix and OS file system. We have different types of command prompt systems. Those are copy command, ls command, and mkdir command. We have so many types of commands. So we will learn about those commands in our Unix OS, and we will learn about shells, filterings, and programming with the standard IO devices and system calls in the Unix. So these are the main topics in the unit 5. These are all our syllabus. Whatever units we have in the OS, these are all our syllabus. That is only. And after that, finally, course outcomes. What are the outcomes we will learn in this course, in this operating system? Those are, we understand the basic concept of OS. What is the OS? We understand basic concept finally, and we understand about threads, and we learn about process scheduling criteria and process scheduling algorithms, and we learn about deadlocks and concurrent programs, and we learn about process synchronization. So we learn about these things also, and we learn disk access and disk management, and file system and file management, and we will learn about operating system scheduling techniques. What are the scheduling algorithms we have in our disk scheduling, right? So we will learn about disk scheduling algorithms, and we will learn about system calls. We have main five types of system calls. We will learn about those system calls also. Finally, these are the outcomes we will learn in this operating system subject. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.